PHUN stock analysis and PHUN stock prediction. What's next? I've spent 5,000 hours, thousands of dollars on mentors, courses over the last 4 years and documented everything. And I've been calling out 5, 10, 20x stock moves on here for years. So watch this short video till the end so you don't end up losing money and being confused. With firmware, generally speaking, the price is in this higher time frame bearish chart. But what's like really happening next? I mean, I'm not trying to be this like pessimist here on YouTube, and if people start like associating me with bad feelings, no. But the reality is that this is a bearish market. People really are just being sold like a freaking fog, you know, they're being sold a fog. But like even for my last video that I made on firmware, like I mentioned, if I see a proper double break, I'm taking things low. I just saw the first break and then it's already melting, you see. Post markets, it's even lower. So the most likely thing that's about to happen next is we clear these lows out. And with this idea, I mean, my bias is still the same, so I'm not going to change much. If you ask me, but when are you going to be bullish? And there's obviously like, it's not forever. It's only for now that I'm bearish. But the moment I start seeing the price breaking about 784 and onwards, then and only then is when I actually get involved on the bullish side. But doesn't mean that I'm going to immediately buy, you know, it's still wait for the whole sequences of my rules. But yeah, simply put, waiting, but it's still quite bearish. What I want to see is just like maybe there's going to be some like big catalyst. We have earnings in March, which is a pretty far away, so not really that concerned with that. But yeah, for now, more likely than not, we're just going to clear the next lows at 372. So that's my 2 cents. That's my subjective opinion. If you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, you can check out the first link in the description where I have a free newsletter. And yeah, also, like, I don't want you to just think, you know, this is a pessimist guy, boom, dislike. I'm just trying to be like a realist, you know. This is not forever, this is just for now. So maybe if you're open-minded, cool. If you're not, it's also cool. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.